Today we're gonna talk about a seed and fertilizer spreader, and it mainly consists of three things. We have the where we put the seeds or fertilizer, the cup. We have the propeller to fling away the seeds or the fertilizer, and we have the opening valve. And this is a manual rotator, so you have to do all the job yourself. You just rotate the valve below. So with this, right now the white bit is closed. When we open, it opens to the desired level. Obviously, when we rotate, I'm gonna show you. Below you can see the blades rotating in the hole, and above we have a small propeller to mix the seeds. It was a different one, the propeller, but I broke it, so I had to do another one, but it still works. Obviously, when you fill it up the first time, you have to close the opposite way. You have to close there, so it doesn't fill up, and because it will jam when it's filled up. Okay, now I'm gonna show you with a bit of seeds, so you know the action. Okay, first we open below, and it just spreads around. You rotate and it spreads. Okay, and that's an ideal item to spread the seed for excellent seed coverage or fertilizer. Okay, hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe.